Today is our topic UPVC duct in electrical field. In electrical field, what is the usage of this UPVC duct? First of all, I want to say a little bit about the properties of this UPVC duct. It is unplasticized polyvinyl chloride. It is far better than normal polyvinyl chloride, that means normal PVC. It is very hard, rigid, and its tensile strength is very high. And the standard length of this pipe is 6 meter, and this pipe comes with an inbuilt socket-like structure on one side. So there is no need of coupler to connect two pipes together. And the color of these pipes are black and gray. And the short and long radius bends are available. 22.5 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree bends are available. And also it has self-extinguishing property. It means that it does not support the burning. I mean, if there is any burning occurs, it would resist that burning. That means it has self-extinguishing property. And we use these UPVC decks for the telephone, HV cable laying, LV cable laying, and water supply drainage purposes also. Different diameter of the pipes are available. D54, D56, D57 pipes are available. These pipes are varying with respect to the diameter. This D54 pipe has a diameter of 96 mm, and this has a diameter of 54, and 57 has a diameter of 114 mm. We could use this UPVC duct in underground and also in inside concrete and also above ground level. Suppose we have a building like this. I have drawn a mall here, and inside the mall we have a substation, and it is the LV room. Okay, and these are different SNDBs. It is the ground floor, and these are the manholes. These manholes are used as a junction for the laying of UPVC ducts. We know that in a substation there would be transformers and some meters. For that, earthing is required. For that, earth pits are required. For to lay the cables from the substation to the earth pit, would normally lay the UPVC duct underground from the substation to the earth pit. Just like that, in LV room there would be different panels, MDBs. That also earthing is required. So from the LV room we would lay UPVC duct underground to the earth pit outside of the building. We require the laying of pipe underground. Better option is UPVC duct. And these SNDBs require LV cables. The cable is coming from this LV room. So first we lay UPVC ducts underground to the manholes, and from this manhole to another manhole like this. Okay, and finally from this manhole directly we lay UPVC duct underground directly to the room which contains these SNDBs. In a building, we require UPVC ducts for these purposes. I hope you got some deep information through this video. If you want more deep information, please subscribe my channel and visit my channel. Thanks for watching.